without any resource يعني without any thinking.
By the way, the Kailan is going to open.
Yay!
Yeah, because it's winter. Going to winter, maybe October or November, I don't know. I had no rest again.
You don't.
Going at 5.
You don't rest, Julian. You are resting. You are really resting. You want to make money.
Yeah, you know, because it's not enough.
Even in Kailan, you had fun at the same time. You are making money and you had fun, right?
Yeah, have fun, but you know, it's so tired. It's look like
And mentally, it's tired.
school
I know.
with a plenty kids. You always watching the kids for the safety. Dear mercy. Did not hire another teacher
For
her or no?
no. No, and I don't want the same situation before Batul, before Batul Aisha.
Yeah.
I don't want. Red, huh? Roses.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi,
guys.
guys.
Welcome to my vlog. Watch and subscribe, please.
Asan na yung... Akala ko nandito sa likod si Miss Asma. Wala pa hindi? Miss Asma, we go later.
I already go out. I already finished
No,
outside.
upstairs we cleaning the dirty one. Sit down. Sure, no, the crying hair door. You go up now?
Crying.
It's you next, huh?
Yes.
Dor was crying.
Hi, Sophie.
Hello.
Maganda
Say hi,
Nice
Sophie.
also
Say
use a
hi.
scissor like this.
Sophie.
Inside. Why you not using?
Because they have to follow like this.
Ah, okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye
صوتي اليوم
bye.
رايح.